This is the best brownie recipe ever and it literally doesn't require any eggs or oven. Firstly, take 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Into that add half cup of refined oil or butter and melt this using double boiler method. Now into another bowl take half cup of caster sugar or powdered sugar. Along with that add half cup of curd. Mix until the sugar completely dissolves and add the prepared melted chocolate mixture and mix it all up and add vanilla essence. It's completely optional. If you have it you can add, otherwise don't. Now I have divided the batter into two equal half and added 1/4 cup of maida to each one. Otherwise without dividing you can add half cup of maida to each batter and half teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder to each. Now transfer the batter into the tin and cook it in the kadai for 20 to 25 minutes. Cool down the brownie. It's very important to cool down before you take it out and enjoy and subscribe. Thanks for watching.